Hi everyone, this is Sandy and I have a quick project share that I'd like to share with you all. And what I made were some pockets, and I love making pockets, and I love loading them up with some craft goodies, die cuts and ephemeras, and I do enjoy sending these out to my crafting friends. So this time here I made my pockets using my circle dies, and these are what they look like when I've made them. So that's your full circle here. So all you do is you just cut two out like this one, or actually here. So you cut two out, that would have been the two full circles, and then you get one full one as the base, and then the other one you just cut it in half, and you can save the one half to embellish with your other embellishments that you want to create with that. And the other one you just apply some glue just around the edge here, and then just adhere that to half of the circle, and then you'll have your little pocket on the top here. So that's how I made these pockets. But what I'll do is I want to show you what I've got inside these circle pockets and how it looks like when you assemble it. So this one in here is just using a plain circle, and this one actually has like a stitch edging around the circle die, and I've just put in there like some word die. I added some what do you call it, cutter parts from my 12 by 12 paper. This is another die cut that I've got using one of my dies. I've added a banner embellishment in there, some more die cuts. This one's got a nice stitch edge around it as well. Some more die cuts there. This is a nice heart die that I got. I love this one here because they've got some nice fancy edging around the heart, and just some ephemeras as well inside the pocket. So there's your pocket. This is how it looks like when there's nothing inside. So there's a bit of room in there to add like what I've got in here, and I've just embellished the front of the pocket for this one. So that's my first one that I made, and I'll fix this up later. My other one is this same one, just the same. I just cut two of these out, and then I just loaded it with some craft goodies in here. That's got the same, similar. It's got some word die in there. I made a tag, a banner style embellishment. It's got some more of my die cuts from using my metal dies, and these are just some ephemeras in there. These are the smaller size heart dies that I use with that nice cute fancy edge on it. So two of those. That's a silver foiled owl, and again just some more of my die cuts using my dies that fall in here. And that's the pocket. I just embellished it again with a butterfly, some bling and some word banner, and that's inside the pocket. That's the back. And you can always put your information here on your back of your pocket. You can also punch a hole in the center, and you can make it into like a tag flip. Put it inside a flip book, Happy Mail. There's lots of ways you could put these little pockets in, or you can keep it as it is. And this is my last one here. I added a what do you call it? A clip and a paper tassel charm. This is from one of my dies, my paper. It's a tassel die that I've got, and I just made that and added a bead cap and attached it to a clip. And this also has a banner embellishment as well that I made. another circle die cut that's got a scalloped edge around it. This one actually is a smaller size to this circle die, so I use this circle die to make the pocket, and that's the smaller size. So I just cut 2 of those, and then I just cut 1 in half and made that into the for the as the pocket. And in here there are some ephemeras as well. Another rectangle die cut, a cute coffee mug, and that's it. And then I just embellished the front with paper flowers, a bird, resin flat back cabochon, and enjoy today. And that's the back, and then that's your pocket in the front. So I just wanted to share with you some more different style pockets that I've made, and I look forward to sending these off to my crafting friends, and hopefully they'll enjoy the little goodies that I've got in there for them to use in their crafting projects. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my project share for today, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.